Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. My name is Sumit and I'm here with my new customization in Salesforce. And the topic for today video is how do we show image on an object using formula field. So this customization or this functionality might not be new for few of you, but those who are new to Salesforce and those who haven't tried this earlier, so this will be definitely new for them. So today we are going to see that how do we display an image. So basically in Salesforce, we can display an image on a record page by using formula field. And within that formula field, we can use image function. So that image function, it allows us to specify the URL of the image, size, and an alternate text in case if we are not able to display an image. And that this image will be displayed directly on the record page whenever the formula field is placed. So before we proceed with today's video, if any one of you haven't subscribed to my YouTube channel, don't forget to subscribe and don't forget to press the bell icon. And also, I was checking that we got a lot of new viewers instead of the returning viewers, and basically, I can see that a lot of viewers are there. Those who like my videos, those who like to watch my videos, but they never subscribe it. So it's a request. If you really like my videos, don't forget to subscribe my YouTube channel. This will help me to add more content on my channel. Thank you, everyone. And let's begin our session for the day. Let's begin this video. So as I've told you that the idea behind this video is we will be going to display an image on a record page. And in order to do this, first of all, we have to upload different images for different names. So the requirement is like this. As you can see, there is a record name, there's a username, let's say there's a user called, let's say Sumit Goyal. And the idea is whenever I open this record, whenever I preview this record, I would like to display the image of this user over here as an image. So this looks more like a form that whenever we preview a form, whenever we open a form, we would like to display the image of that user. So how do we do this? So for this, step number one, we need to upload that user image and add that image as a static resource. So very quickly, I just switch to setup. And here in my setup, I'm going to upload an image. So let's say I look for static resources, and a static resource, I will be going to upload the image for that user. So if we have 100 users, obviously we have to add 100 of the, we have to add images for all 100 users in our static resources. So I click on new and label this as, I'll give the name as Sumit Goyal, choose file, and I'm going to choose the file from my desktop. Basically, I have downloaded an image. So I'm going to upload my image over here. Yeah, so I have placed my image. So this image I uploaded from my drive, from my system. Let me do it again. So I'm going to select an image, and here's my image. So I select it and make it public. This. So I click on save. That's the step number one. Next step. So this is step number one. After this, we need to add a field on the candidate object. So I'm going to add a field. So let's switch to edit object, and we will be going to add a new field on this candidate object, and that field will be a formula field. So fields and relationship, new formula field, next, and let's say image, or let's say candidate image. It's a text type. The data type will be text. Next, and here we need to write the formula. Here we need to write the formula. So the formula will be, what's the formula? Here there is one field, there is one formula called image function. I'm going to use that function, image function. And this function takes three parameters: image URL, alternate text. Image URL is the URL, and alternate text just in case if it is not possible to display the image, or if the this function not able to render the image, then it will be going to display the name or the alternate text instead of that image and the height and width. So let me remove all of them and I'm going to do this. So how are we going to give the label to that resource or the URL for that resource? So for that, I'm going to write here slash resource, resource slash plus and the field name, the name, so full name. And just in case if it's not possible to display the field, it's not possible to display an image, then also it will display the name only, full name and comma. I just set the size, let's say 100, comma 100. Click on check syntax. It's correct. So here is the formula, and don't forget what formula we need to write. You need to write this formula: resource slash full name, and that's a field name. That's the name of that. That's a file name actually. The resource name we have uploaded, and instead and just in case if the image is not displayed, if the image is not visible, then it will display the full name. Next, save this. I'll quickly navigate to page layout to rearrange the fields and candidate image. Save this. Let me refresh and we'll see if it is possible to display an image here or not. If the image will be displayed here or not. So I refresh my image. I refresh my record and you can see the image will be displayed. But if we just preview any other record, let's suppose if I'll open a record called Sam, then it won't display the image. Reason, there is no static resource in the name of Sam. So let me do one thing. Let me click on static resource. Let's add a new resource. Label this as Sam and upload a file. So let me quickly add a file name as, and I'm just going to quickly add a file. So let's suppose I add a file, make it public, save this. The static resource is added. And now when we refresh, it will display image of that user. So right now I added the image for Sam like this. So like this way, we can display or we can display or show the image of a candidate, of a user, of a candidate or customer on a form. That's how this whole functionality works by using formula field. So that's all in this video. If you like this, don't forget to press the bell icon. Also, you can press the like button and post your comment in comment box. If you need customized training on Salesforce, visit our website or you can drop an email to us or you can write to us. You can contact us on the given numbers. Thanks for watching. Have a nice day. Goodbye.